Stay in your seat. Stay in your seat if you're filming. We don't want to have to ask you to leave. Thank you. All right, we got dancer 232, 199, 175, 147, 106, and 105. Okay, ladies, do not go past the black line, please. This way the judges can see your numbers. Judges ready? Drummers, artumai. Okay, ladies, make sure the judges can see your numbers one more time. Face forward. All right, Maruru, you go ahead and exit to your left.
All dancers in the 7 through 9, Tamahine and Tamaroa, all are clear. So you can now get dressed once again. All dancers in the 7 through 9, beginner and advanced, Tamahine and Tamaroa are clear. You may now change.
All right, we have dancer 146, 307, 308, 301. And dancer 279. All right, ladies, just a reminder, don't go past the black line, please. Judges ready? Drummers, artumai. Okay. All right, ladies, face forward. Make sure the judges can see your numbers one more time. All right. Maruru, ladies, you may exit to your left. This is dancer 122, 238, 56, 48, 27, dancer 9. Make sure, ladies, don't go past the black line. All right, ladies, don't go past the black line. Don't go past the black line. You good? Judges ready? Drummers, arutumai. All right, thank you, ladies. Make sure the judges can see your numbers one more time.
This is our dancers in the 13 to 15 advanced category. This is our 13 to 15 advanced category.
All right, Maruru, ladies, you can exit to your left. Come down here. This dancer 133, 288, 264, 62, 253. Okay, ladies, just a reminder again, don't go past the black line. Judges ready? Drummers, arutumai. Thank you so much. Face forward. Make sure the judges can see your numbers one more time. All right. Maruru ladies, you may exit to your left. All right, this is dancer 275 292 119 190 and 316. Okay, ladies, don't go past the black line. Please, judges ready? Drummers, out of the mic. All right, ladies, make sure the judges can see your numbers one more time. All right, Maruru ladies, you can go ahead and exit to your left. All dancers aged 10 to 12, you're clear.
All right, moving on to our advanced 13 to 15 category in our Tane category. Advanced 13 to 15.
All right, that's a 273, 266, and 212. All right, fellas, don't go past the black line, okay? Judges ready? Drummers, out to mic. right, fellas, make sure the judges can see your numbers one more time. Face forward. All right. Maruru, fellas, exit to your left.
And that's going to do it for our first group of soloists, all ages 4 through 15. How about a round of applause for all of our soloists? And the 4 through 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, and 13 to 15. Once again, results will be posted just outside of the gym. Before we move on to our break, the Tamariwi exhibition will take place after the break. Also scheduled is a drumming competition. And then we'll continue on with our elimination rounds. That's according to our schedule, so all subject to change. But once again, we will have our results posted at least in the 4 through 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, and 13 to 15 posted just outside of the gym. All right, we've made it to our lunch break, ladies and gentlemen. 30 minutes early. We know how to do it, huh? Okay, so this lunch break is scheduled for 30 minutes. A lot of people are laughing. That's all right. We will do our best to make sure that we are on time.
I bought 2 drums. Come up where? What are you talking about? All right, bye. Is this where we're sitting the whole time? No, we're done right here.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have our break. We'll actually have, after the break, an Otea performance in our group competition. And then we'll continue on with our Tamari exhibition. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your break. We have great food, arts and crafts vendors outside. Make sure you visit them. Support all of our arts and crafts vendors and our food vendors as well. We'll see you in 30 minutes.
If somebody's missing a cell phone, I have it here. The MC table. If anybody's missing a cell phone, let me know.